Good morning. Oh my gosh. It's 8:06. I'm so tired. I've been catching up a lot on rest. Normally I would be sleeping still, but I have to go deliver an order. Got it ready in the last video. Holy shit, it's gloomy outside.
Oh my gosh, why does it have to be this way?
Just finished dropping off that other delivery. I can mark it off in a book. She just drifted, holy shit. She's like, food. Pause. What? Delivery! We're going to Springbank Park. We're gonna do some photos with Aidan Hough for an album cover. You'll be seeing that soon. Chris, how do you feel about being here? You're allowed to talk. You're like...
I'm feeling good, you know? Cold, but I warmed up. I bundled up because Canada.
Are your feet cold?
No, I'm wearing boots to warm up.
We're going to do some talking while we're driving, and then when we get there. Buttermilk.
Milk of butter?
Oh, watch this turn. Just kidding. Fucking yellow light, red light.
You tried. It's cold. Got anything to say?
I'm just really putting the brain power into thinking about the car situation, because right now I feel like that's gonna be our biggest roadblock. The biggest roadblock is holding back probably the coolest shot in forethought. But if we can't get that work, that's fine. There's a lot of other stuff we can do, and then just like, you know.
Yeah, it doesn't make it easy.
No, honestly, I'd rather do some sketchy shit to try and get some content.
Alright, and we're out.
Area to go just to, because we found a bridge on Google Maps.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I thought it would be good to take some pictures there. And every like 10 meters was a keep off the grass sign.
Oh God.
Don't trespass. It was just a bunch of old retired people that really cared for their land.
I could not.
And it looks
I don't like grass.
I
don't touch grass.
Throw up the property value when you sell it, because it like looks really nice on the outside. Probably.
True, but then they like move out, and 2 days later the property value dips 50K.
They'll buy it back, refix their garden again, sell it again.
Oh, it's a scheme, is it?
And they've lost so much more money than they could have made.
Well, if the property value from the outside looking nice increases by like, let's say 20,000 only, okay, just only spend 10,000 on your garden and then sell the car. Done. Easy.
I could 100% do that and flip a house if I fixed their garden.
You're selling the house to flip the garden.
Oh, okay, I see. So the house isn't even like... So what if you just buy a garden? What if you just buy a patch of land? Wouldn't that make it easier?
Honestly, that actually is a good idea, because you're like making something nice with the land, and then you just, you know, you charge people to walk in it.
That'd be rough, man. I don't know.
Do you want some clean air? Well, you're gonna pay me a toll.
Great convos.
Oh wow, someone's gonna tattoo done right now.
Graves.
Go check it out. Go do something. Go do something.
Go get
London, Ontario.
Go get a tattoo saying that you love your mom.
Not a sponsor.
How's it done, Seb?
You.
Boop bop bang.
Boop bop bang.
Boop bop. Bam bop.
You put this thing on here. On there.
Give it a little snugness. Feeling cold.
We gotta speak loud, otherwise this video will be DMCA'd.
Yeah, literally. Oh, it's not solid.
Yeah, dude, this is a big hill. This is like 2 or 3 feet of a hill.
You look comfy.
Oh damn, he's chilling. You could just live there. You look warm, that's for sure. Yeah, I ain't climbing that all fall. My legs don't work like that. What you got there?
Lights. Little lights that honestly die kind of fast, but
They're powerful though.
they're kind of bright.
Why does that actually look so cool though with just the guitar on there?
Hello. Now cooking with some gas.
It's looking pretty good. Dude, that guitar looks so much more comfortable than I do.
Little double chin too.
You like that spot there?
Yeah, did you just take those?
Yeah.
Nice.
I think you sit in the chair now instead of just the.
Yeah, that's sick.
That is the question. Oh. You look comfortable.
And yeah, if you're like kind of like peered down and like so your eyes are looking at the camera, that'd be really good.
Oh, the camera?
Yeah. Like if you're like real sharp at it, maybe start with that. Maybe. You know, like a little arch in your eye.
Mhm.
Apologize.
It's all good.
So you want the raw image to be clear. You can add that effect in color after the post. You look directly at the camera.
Time to let go of the 90s.
We have to unplug it from there.
No, I'll unplug it from the car.
Okay.
You just check.
Yep.
All right, Sab, explain to me what's going on. Give us a little synopsis.
So he's in the car, we got the cable running over to the TV. And turn the car off in 3, 2, 1, go. Perfect. Okay, you can turn it back on. Big thanks to Aidan for asking me to come out and help him. It's a really good time that we're having. We have this awesome TV. Look at this shit. Look at some cool stuff going on here too. We'll turn it on.
I don't think power's on right now.
If power's not on, it won't turn on. So, the last vlog went really well, and it's been taking me a long time to make this one because we actually gotta do things to make a vlog. Like, we gotta do fun things. It can't be just sitting in the house making another vlog. The first one was me sitting in the house making a vlog. The second one can't be that. So it's been taking some weeks to make this. Chris has been a big help. No,
Saving
he's not
me.
getting paid.
Oh. I'm broke.
No one who works for me gets paid. Not even me.
It's all charity.
My fingers are cold.
My one hand is cold.
Let me know in the comments what you would like to see for the next one, because obviously there's some improvements we could make in content-wise. Like, what parts of these journeys do you want to see? Do you want to see more of the behind-the-scenes prep? Do you want to see more of the editing process? Because there's a lot that I can show you. There's a lot. And so I've just been showing you the main parts. And you're not watching the videos enough. I might cut that part out.
Give us one last part to end it.
Here we have our vent. It's actually honestly like kind of warm. Like, doing your hands over here.
I can't even feel it. I can't even feel the difference, to be honest with you.
Be on the lookout for the release. Check the description of this video so you can see his Instagram, because I'm sure he's gonna release the stuff on the Instagram. White nuts. White nuts. Dude, I got a pair of white nuts right here.
That's great. That's great, Seb. Thank you. Thank you very much for that. How lovely.
Do this on the side. It's actually so in frame. Put it nice. Put it down nicely in frame.
That's lovely.
Perfect.
Cup.
Yo, we just cooked first take, set everything up, snow bank, boom, turn it on, turn it off. Check this out. Get it nice and close. Closer. Good shit. The little gold mines, the little gold mines. Are we good calling it a day? Yeah.